7 changes to make in your 30s. 1. Don't rush through life. It's important to have goals. But we don't need to be in a hurry all the time to get things done. It leaves so much wasted time on the journey not soaking in life. You don't have to rush through your 30s. Stop and smell the roses isn't just some old-time advice that sounds nice. 2. Determine what happiness will look like for you. The hard part is that we often adopt our parents' or society's version of happiness and strive to achieve those visions in our own lives. In order to find happiness in your 30s, and the rest of your life, you need to determine what that looks like for you. 3. You can find opportunities in obstacles. Basically, individuals who are less negative about their lives are more likely to take their chances when opportunities present themselves. Each event and experience in life naturally has a good and bad side to them. When you actively look for positivity, your brain is going to engage itself to find it. 4. Understand that small gains add up. It's time to get rid of bad habits and cultivate the good habits that improve yourself. Small habits every day lead to significant results. It might not seem big at the time, but a small positive habit repeated enough times can lead to something special. You'll be well on the way to success by the time you reach your 40s. 5. Buy experiences, not things. Our experiences are a bigger part of ourselves than our material goods. You can really like your material stuff. You can even think that part of your identity is connected to those things, but nonetheless, they remain separate from you. In contrast, your experiences really are part of you. We are the sum total of our experiences. 6. Reflect on your most important values. Your 30s is the time to redefine what is important to you. Shift the focus back to what you want. You've had time in your 20s to figure out how the world works and what part you can play in it. Now it's time to create your life that's congruent with your values. 7. Say yes to things that scare you. We all experience fear, but it's how you deal with it that counts. Rather than retreating to a far corner because of fear, use it to prove yourself wrong. The more you get out of your comfort zone, the higher chance that it will enlarge you. Instead of letting fear get in the way, your 30s are the time to ride the feeling of fear and act anyway. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.